Hi, I'm Bryan Rodriguez, Senior Sales and Application Engineer for Capital Robotics. Today we're going to show you a couple different features with the latest and greatest technology OTC Daihen offers with the Intelligent Torch. So what we're going to show here is the Intelligent Torch. A couple different features you can do and toggle through with the torch itself. Makes it nice and easy, not having to go back to the machine. So if your machine is far away, we have some extension cables and or boom that we can also do optional that will keep it easier to control everything at the workstation, not having to go back and forth to the machine. So a couple things we can do. You can change almost every parameter from voltage to trim to arc control to jobs. So if I have a job set up already for one thickness, I can go ahead and weld it. So now let's say on the same job, you may have another thickness of material on the same product. You can toggle through, go to my next job, upload it. It could be completely different. Again, process, amperage, wire. Go to the next one and fire off the weld. Now you have it. Toggling back and forth, again, you can change inches a minute, amperage, voltage, everything at your fingertips.